By the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly why you feel broke, even though you make more money than ever before. And it's not because of inflation. It's not because of taxes. It's because you're stuck in something called the upgrade loop. Most people have never heard this term. But once you understand it, you'll see it everywhere. In your own life, in your friends' lives, in every decision you make with money. Here's the thing. You're not bad with money. You've just been programmed to stay broke. Let me explain. Meet our friend here. He just got his first real job out of college. He's making $40,000 a year. Not bad, right? More money than he's ever had in his life. He's excited. He's motivated. He's ready to build wealth. But here's what happens next. He looks around and realizes his old beat-up car doesn't match his new professional life. It's embarrassing. His coworkers drive nicer cars. His boss drives a BMW. So he thinks, maybe it's time for an upgrade. Nothing crazy. Something that says, I've made it. So he finances a new car. $25,000 monthly payment of $450. He can afford it. Barely. But he can afford it. Now here's where it gets interesting. A few months go by. He gets used to his new car. It feels normal now, expected. And then something happens. He gets a raise, 10%. His salary jumps to $44,000. This is the moment. This is where wealth could start building. An extra $4,000 a year, that's over $300 a month. But what does he do? He looks at his apartment. It's small, it's in a so-so neighborhood. His friends are moving into nicer places. So he thinks, maybe it's time for an upgrade. He moves into a better apartment. Rent goes up by $350 a month. His raise? Gone. Completely absorbed by his new lifestyle. And this is the upgrade loop. This is the invisible prison that keeps millions of people broke no matter how much money they make. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Every time you upgrade something in your life, it doesn't just cost money once. It creates what I call upgrade pressure on everything else around it. Think about it. Our friend moves into a nicer apartment, but now his old furniture looks out of place. The thrift store couch doesn't match the modern kitchen. The plastic plates look cheap next to the granite countertops. So what happens? He upgrades his furniture. His dishes, his towels, his bedding, each upgrade seems small. $50 here, $200 there. But they add up, fast. And now his nice apartment and nice furniture make his wardrobe look outdated. He can't invite people over wearing his college clothes, so he upgrades his wardrobe. See what's happening? One upgrade creates pressure for another upgrade, which creates pressure for another upgrade. It's a chain reaction, a domino effect that never ends. And the craziest part? Most people don't even realize they're doing it. They think they're making independent decisions. They think each purchase is separate. But it's not. It's all connected. One upgrade leads to another. Always. Now let me show you how this compounds over an entire career. Our friend is 30 now. He's been working for 8 years. His salary has grown from $40,000 to $75,000. Almost double. He should be wealthy by now, right? Wrong. Let's trace what happened. The $40,000 salary car became a $60,000 salary car, which became an $80,000 salary SUV. His car payment went from $450 to $600 to $800 a month. The apartment became a bigger apartment, which became a house with a mortgage. His housing cost went from $800 to $1,400 to $2,200 a month. His wardrobe, his vacations, his restaurants, his gym membership, his subscriptions. All upgraded multiple times, every single raise, every single bonus, every single promotion, gone. Absorbed by the upgrade loop. At 30 years old, with nearly double the income, he has the exact same amount of money left over each month as he did at 22, maybe less. And here's the truly terrifying part. He doesn't feel rich, he feels stressed. He feels like he's barely making it, because in the upgrade loop, you're always at your limit, always stretched thin, always one emergency away from disaster. But here's where it gets really interesting. There's a psychological reason why the upgrade loop is so powerful. And once you understand it, you can finally break free. It's called the hedonic treadmill. Here's how it works. When you buy something new, you get a spike of happiness. It feels amazing. For about 2 weeks, then your brain adapts. The new thing becomes the new normal. The happiness fades, and now you need something else new to feel that spike again. So you upgrade again, and again, and again. But here's the thing nobody tells you. the happiness spike never gets bigger. It stays the same size. 2 weeks of joy, then back to baseline. Whether you buy a $20,000 car or a $60,000 car, you get the same 2 weeks of happiness. Then it becomes normal, expected, invisible. You're literally paying $40,000 for the same amount of happiness. That's not a purchase, that's a trap. Now, how do you break free from the upgrade loop? There are 3 strategies that actually work. Strategy number 1, the intentional delay. Every time you feel the urge to upgrade something, wait. Not forever, just 30 days. Write down what you want. Write down why you want it. Then put it away. After 30 days, look at it again. Do you still want it as badly? Most of the time, you won't. The urge will fade. The need will disappear. This simple trick can cut your upgrade spending by half, maybe more. Strategy number 2, the upgrade audit. Look at your last 5 upgrades. Your car, your phone, your apartment, your clothes, whatever. Now ask yourself this question. Am I actually happier because of this upgrade? Not 2 weeks after you bought it. Right now. Today. Be honest. Most people discover that their upgrades didn't add any lasting happiness at all. They're paying for things that stopped making them happy a long time ago. Once you see this pattern, the upgrade loop loses its power over you. Strategy number 3, the wealth first rule. This is the most powerful strategy of all. Before you get paid, before you see your money, before you have a chance to upgrade anything, move money to your investments. Automatically, every single paycheck. Start with 10%, then increase it every time you get a raise. Here's the magic. You can't upgrade what you don't have. If the money is already in your investment account, it's not available for upgrades. The upgrade loop needs money to feed on. Starve it, remove the fuel, and watch it die. Now here's what happens when you break free. Our friend finally wakes up. He's 32 now. He starts applying these strategies. He keeps his car when he gets a raise. Instead of upgrading, he stays in his apartment instead of buying a bigger house. He stops buying new clothes every season. And something magical happens. For the first time in his life, money starts to accumulate. His investment account grows. First to $5,000, then to $20,000, then to $50,000. He starts earning money from his money. Dividends, interest, compound growth. By 35, he has over $100,000 invested. By 40, over $250,000. Money working for him while he sleeps. And here's the twist ending. He's not living a worse life, he's living the same life. The same apartment that was perfectly fine before is still perfectly fine. The same car that was reliable before is still reliable. Nothing actually changed, except now he's building real wealth for the first time ever. The upgrade loop tried to keep him broke forever, but he broke free. Most people never will. They'll upgrade their whole lives, they'll make more and more money, and they'll die with nothing. Because the upgrade loop took everything. But not you. Now you understand. You see the trap. You see the pattern. You see exactly how your brain is being manipulated. And now you have a choice. Keep upgrading, keep resetting to 0, keep running on the treadmill that goes nowhere, or step off, build wealth, create real freedom. The choice is yours, but at least now you know the truth. If this opened your eyes, share it with someone stuck in their own upgrade loop. They might not even know they're trapped. And if you want to learn more about the psychology of money and the invisible traps keeping you broke, subscribe, because we're just getting started. See you in the next one.